Hi, and welcome to the channel. I'm Lena Hansen. If you are in need of a wonderful calming gua sha routine, make sure you grab your face oil and your face tool here, your gua sha tool, and we are going to do a wonderful all full face gua sha routine. So let's get started. So we're gonna get started with our face oil. I always like to apply face oil all over the face. I always take a moment to inhale the aroma of the Global Face Serum because it's super uplifting and very calming as well. So we're gonna apply the oil all the way on our face, but also moving all the way down to the neck area. We're gonna apply it on our forehead. Make sure you have a decent amount of face oil on your skin, and this is super important before we start the gua sha routine. So we are going to get started with some lymphatic drainage, and I know I keep going on and on about that, but lymphatic drainage is so important to start with because we want to open up the lymph. We want to make sure that we're draining the extra excess fluid. So we're taking our tool and we're going to place the two knobs right here in between the jawline here and moving all the way out. I always put my fingers here for support. Let's go on the other side. Wonderful. Next, we're going to take the inside curve of the tool, place it out, and do a little wiggle at the end here. Other side. Next, the inside curve of the tool again. Just place it all the way out on the chest area here. Make sure you have some oil and glide all the way out from the center all the way out. Remember, when we're doing gua sha, gentle, soft, slow strokes. Wonderful. Next, we're going to be working on the forehead area. So I'm going to place my fingers here for support. Put the tool, the inside curve of the tool here at an angle and glide all the way out, or all the way up, I should say. Make sure you are covering the entire forehead area here. Reducing the tension in the forehead. Smoothing out the lines and wrinkles as well. Wonderful. Next, we're going to take the inside curve of the tool again. I'm going to place it here and glide it all the way out, close to the temple here and the ears. So moving again at an angle, all the way out. Okay, we're gonna go on the other side. You see already how this side is looking a little bit more lifted. Gonna work here on this side. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to be working on the lip area. So sometimes we get some lines and wrinkles around our lips. So I like to work and smooth out this area. So I just take one of the smaller knobs here, and then we're going to glide from the center here of the lip all the way to the end. Really working on the muscle here, releasing the tension. And we're going to go on the other side. Wonderful. Let's go on the bottom lip. And the other side. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to take the inside curve of the tool again, place it underneath here, and then glide all the way out to the ear. This is going to help with the puffiness that we get sometimes here underneath the double chin. Let's go on the other side. And you see how I'm kind of keeping it straight on. We're not working on an angle. We're kind of keeping it straight on here. Let's go a little bit deeper here underneath the chin. Wonderful. Now to end this routine, we're going to just gently again go here all the way from the ear all the way down to the collarbone again with a little bit of a wiggly at the end here. Let's go on the other side. Nice deep breath. Wonderful. Now I can already feel here my skin and my face is feeling and looking a little bit more relaxed, and my face is looking a little bit more lifted as well. So this is a wonderful gua sha routine that you can do daily or whenever you feel the need. So this is a wonderful routine that you can do, but go check out my other videos here on gua sha routines as well, where we go into certain areas of the face. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.